Hi everyone. I'm here to tell you a story about how to support green recovery for cities and how to do it by using mobile positioning data for planning better public transport. The city I'm telling you about is Tartu, very nice city, home of 100,000. And this graph shows the public transport use during past 5 years. What I want you to notice from this graph is the yellow line showing what happened when the new public transport network was introduced last year, and the red line showing the impressive recovery from COVID this year. Why is it so important? As you can see from this infograph, Tartu has actually reached quite high level of carbon neutrality. They are quite close. There are 2 black sheep in a herd, however, and this is really annoying that going the last mile is difficult. What to do about it? What Tartu did is actually why they can be called a smart city. To prepare for pandemic, you have to start 3 years earlier. That's what Tartu did. But also what was smart was using mobile positioning data from Positium to redesign public transport on strategic level, because this is the foundation of the whole service. There are many other elements to public transport. But this redesign was done in just 1.5 years, and the result was 30 lines. Instead of 30 lines, only 14. That means double the frequency, a lot better service. And why is mobile data important is that registry data doesn't tell you what happened this year. You have it from last year, you have official addresses, but it doesn't tell you if people are still commuting on this. So that's where Positium comes in. There are other companies in the world who also master this quite complex data set. But what makes us different is that our output is always on a level of official statistics. And the data set itself, why is it so good, is that it has really large sample. It contains whereabouts and movements of all subscribers of a mobile network. So the data comes from activity log. And because mobile networks are in every city in the world, this means the same process is actually replicable in any city. We have very successful use cases in using the dataset for public transport planning, for urban planning, for general transportation planning. So if all this sounds useful for you, contact Positium. The best way to do it is to contact me. Thank you.